Hey, yo, the pizza here.
Pizza's here? Pizza here.
Let's go.
I'm gonna put it out here.
Yeah, alright, bet. I don't like this controller anyways. I was kidding, Sony. Hi everyone, today we are reviewing the highly anticipated PlayStation PS5 DualSense Edge controller. Now, in case you guys are wondering, this is the equivalent of the Xbox Elite controller. That is correct. The Elite controller has been out for like many years, like 5+ years, and Sony never came out with a first-party competitor to the controller. Now we work a lot with SCUF controllers, Battle Beaver controllers, AIM controllers, GameNetics, a lot of other third-party companies. And I consider this controller a competitor to those controllers just as much as I do the Xbox Elite. So yeah, I'm so excited to open this up and test it. My main controller is a PlayStation 5 Battle Beaver controller, and I'm not like stuck to one controller. I'm pretty sure I can get this controller up and running and be able to use it very comfortably and very similar to my performance on a Battle Beaver. I'm not exactly sure how the triggers work on this or the paddles. I'm not sure if the paddles are remappable. I do not know much about this controller other than the various announcements around it and the hype. The hype is still there. However, I was a bit surprised to see that it kind of just launched without anyone noticing. So maybe the hype has died down. However, the market's just down, and the market is really down. So I think that's why a lot of people aren't talking about it. They do not have the $200 price tag for this controller. $200 I would say is a very great price for this, considering the standard controller is $75, and a lot of good Battle Beaver and SCUF controllers with comparable specs are around $250, maybe even $300. So let's get started. I'm so excited to open it up and test this controller finally. Here, boom. Let's pop it open. It's a hard shell, not a soft one. Heavy. I would be concerned with traveling with this, not gonna lie.
Oh, it doesn't look bad. Let's see.
Yo, they even fit the cable. They fit the cable in there. They fit all the new joysticks. So this is where the cheats are. You can unlock the cheats, or you can lock them in case you're streaming or you're at a tournament. So I'm only kidding. So you have buttons here that are like additional buttons. So if you're playing, like, boom. This is like a PC player's dream too. Oh, these buttons have like less travel as well. They're not exactly digital taps, but I think they travel a little faster.
What about these?
Oh, that's where we find out. So you have 3 different toggles. Now I'm going to see what exactly it does. If it's digital tap, I will literally cry. It's not digital tap. It's not digital tap. They fucked up. What are they doing? It's like trigger stops. Is that not a beautiful controller?
I don't know about those triggers though.
Triggers are garbage. Oh, these piles are garbage too. Wait, can you reverse them so it goes the other direction, please? Yo!
Hey, yo, the pizza here.
Pizza's here? Pizza here.
Let's go.
I'm gonna put it out here.
Yeah, alright, bet. I don't like this controller anyways. I was kidding, Sony. Alright, so now we got the paddles. So 2 different orientations, which is very smart. You can flip them so it's like that, or you can rotate them, swap them, and it's like that.
Better?
Way better. This hole fits mine.
All right, let's get it.
Let's get it.
How you remap it?
All right, so we got the DSX here. I got my controller, and look at this. Back left assigned to X, and back right assigned to circle. And it says searching for controller. I think my controller got unplugged somehow. We're back. Left FN and right FN, so you can also map these. And if you go to controller, you can see looks like the FN on the left is triangle, the FN on the right is square, left paddle is X, right paddle circle. Just the way I want it. Do you have any XRP? Crypto? No!
Apparently XRP is tied to this whole SpaceX shit.
Oh shit.
And apparently it fucking skyrocketed last night.
No comeback, yeah.
Not with that controller issue. Alright, I'm over this, yo. Get out of here. This controller is junk. If you're on PC, stay the fuck away! Sony, more like Tony. This controller is so trash. How trash is it? Well, I was playing rank play and it would disconnect every 4 seconds. And paddles are not working correctly. And you have to spend $6 like it's DLC to get this to work on PC.
Yeah, I mean they're both like from Sony.
Dude, this was fucking. This was Sony after Elon Musk bought them.
I mean, it feels premium, but like fucking watching it disconnect was frustrating me, and I wasn't even playing.
I know.
There's an issue with the cable.
It wasn't.
Issue with
It's a skill issue, really.
It's a Sony issue.
Like, bro, if you're not like Iron and Crimson, controller's not gonna work.
Yeah.
And plus, like, the no digital tap.
I mean, if you're playing COD,
I don't know which one you like, Astra.
I mean, I think the paddles are really nice. They kind of remind me of the Elite Series 2.
Better.
Way better than the Elite Series 2.
Triggers are nice too.
Now, there's these 2 buttons on the front. 2 function buttons. I don't really know what they do. And I don't really know how much of a purpose they would have. Because let's say you're playing, right? And like you got your hand on the stick, like what are you gonna...
It's more so for like single player games or like MMO games where you need to... Basically when you hold this down, these 4 will become different action controls. You're like...
Oh, so it's like a different type
That's
of...
why it's literally called FN. So like when it's FN, everything becomes different. Alright everyone, so this concludes our video of the unboxing and review of the Sony Dual Sense Edge controller. Very highly anticipated controller. Me personally, I was very hyped and I was very let down. The issues on PC are inexcusable. As someone that does not own a PS5 controller, a PS5, they should have thought about us. There's plenty of people like me that do not own PS5s but play on PC with the PS5 controller, whether it's a default or Battle Beaver or Scuff or whatever. So I don't understand why they didn't think that into consideration. You know, like the market's down right now, not many sales, so now's not the good time to put out a bad product. So yeah, thank you again. Thank you Sony for sending us this controller. Huge shout out to Sony as a sponsor of this video, and we'll see you guys later.